PERT and CPM. So PERT is going to be the origin is from military. The CPM, it is going to be from the industry. So PERT is event oriented and CPM is activity oriented. Completely different. Event is the starting and ending point of an activity. An activity is will happen once an event has commenced. There is no allowance for uncertainty there is allowance for uncertainty in PET because I'm going to use statistical tools to estimate the time, but no such allowance is there in CPM. In CPM, you don't have any allowance for uncertainty. It has three time estimates. We have seen what are the three time estimates. We see the optimistic time, the pessimistic time. We have the optimistic time, the most likely time, and pessimistic time. So these are the three things we have in PERT. But you have only single estimate of time and emphasis on cost. It is a probabilistic model with uncertainty in activity duration. So it is a deterministic model with well-known activity and time based upon past experience. But it does not democrate between critical and non-critical activities, but here it makes critical activities. CPM is focused for critical activities only. Okay, CPM is focused for critical activities only. But it is especially suitable when high precision is required in time estimates, defenses or projects. But it is suitable when reasonable precision is required, for example, in a civil construction industry and trial expansions. Time is averaged in PERT, whereas no averaging of time is involved in CPM. The concept of crashing is not applied. The concept of crashing is applied. In PERT, it lays emphasis on the reduction of execution of time of the project without too much cost implication. The PERT is time based, whereas in CPM, it lays emphasis on the greatest reduction in completion time with the least increase in project cost. So it is going to be cost based. The PERT is going to be time based because I have estimates of time, but CPM is going to be cost based because I'm going to evaluate the critical path parameters. So that is the difference between CPM and PERT. And these two techniques are, you cannot say which one is good or which one is bad, but they are equally used in industries to get an estimate of the project timelines. So if you are going to estimate time and go by the time thing, you will be using PERT. But if you are going to focus on activities, or if you are going to focus on the activity mode, then you will be finding out the cost. So in that case, you will be going for CPM. So CPM and PERT are two techniques for evaluating and planning the project. So CPM is critical path method, PERT is project evaluation.